Hi everyone. So let's discuss about the platform class. So platform class is mainly used for getting information regarding to your environment in which your current Dash script are running. So let's say you want to know on which particular operating system you are running your Dash script, or what are the environmental variables are associated with your current operating system. Based on which operating system you are running your Dart script, you want to take some different action. So let's say if you are running on a Mac OS, you have to take some different action, and if you are on a Windows, you have to take some different action. Okay, so let's see a couple of functionality are available inside this platform class. So let's say we want to find where our executable this main.dart file exists. So I can just simply use let's just print directly. So we are going to use this platform class, and this platform class is a part of Dart.io package. Those Dart.io package we have already imported earlier. So platform dot, let's say script. So it will give me that where this particular main.dart file is running, and let's just run it. So you can see it's in a F drive Dart tutorial bin main.dart. Let's say we want to find the full path of this script. So platform dot, let's say script. I can give like a 2 file path, so it will give me the file path based on my operating system. So it's a F drive. Now in this case it's a backward slash. So this is a script point of view. It has given me the path. So it was a forward slash as it was on a Linux based operating system, and this full file path it has given me based on Windows operating system, because the Dart script is running on a Windows OS. Now let's say on which particular OS you are running this code. So you can use like platform dot, let's say operating system, and let me just run it. So I am running on a Windows. Let's say I want to find whether my Dart scripts are running on a Linux machine or not. So I can use all those static variable like is Windows or is Android, is Fujitsu, is iOS, is Linux. Let's try for Linux. So ideally it should return me a false. So it's a false. Let's say on which version of this Windows operating system I have run the code. So I can use like platform dot version. So if you are on a Mac or a Linux machine, you will get a different version. So this is the version on which I am running the code. Now let's say once you got the idea that you are running your code on a Linux machine or a Windows machine, so you can do all those decision making. Let's say I'll just write like if, let's say platform dot, let's say is Mac OS. So if you are running your code on a Mac OS, do some operation, else perform some other operation. So let me just print on Mac OS, and in other else statement I'll just write on some other OS. So let me just run it. So you can see on some other OS, because I am not on a Mac operating system. Now let's say apart from this operating system file path, we want to know what are the environment variables are associated with my current operating system. So what are the environment variable has been set. So I can use like platform dot environment. So it will return me the map. Let's just print the full map. And let me just comment the remaining part. Okay, so I am running this platform environment. So there are number of different environment variable whatever has been set on my local machine. So one of them, you can see it's a Java home which has been set on my local machine. One other is a local app data. Okay, so let's say I just want to find the keys, so I can use like a keys. So these are the key. Even key, it has not printed everything, so you can iterate over all those keys and you can print the value. I already know that I have, let's say, path variables are there, so I can use like a path and I can grab that particular path variable. So what are the path stat inside this path variable? So this C drive, program file, common file, Oracle, Java. So this is one path. After that, all those other part has been appended like a C drive, Anaconda. Okay, so this way you can get the information about different path variables and other variables, so system level variables, whatever you have set inside your operating system. Let's say you want to find so we have seen operating system, we have seen environment, we have seen is Windows, script. Let's say what is the path separator associated with your operating system. So if you are on a Windows machine, it will be a backward slash. So you can see it's a backward slash, but if you are on a Linux based operating system, you should get a forward slash. Let's see any other information we can grab. So Mac OS version we have seen, executable. Let's say how many number of processors are running on your machine, where your Dart scripts are. So let's just print. So I am running on a, yeah, so there is a typo here. Yeah, so 2 is a number of processors. So I am running on a dual core machine currently. Any other information we can grab? Let's say, yeah, so majority of things. Let's say I want to know what is my local host name, so I can use like local host name. So it's a user. So based on your operating system, the way it has been set up while setting up the operating system, it will give you the name. So I am on a Windows based operating system and it's my host name is user. Okay, so lot of things and lot of information we have grabbed through this platform class. I hope you enjoy listening this video and see you into next video.